Hi, welcome to the more 5-minute St. Louis real estate market update for December 2013. If you've got 5 minutes, I'll bring you up to date on what's happening in the St. Louis real estate market. This is a bonus presentation for year end. I've got some extra stuff packed in, so I'm going to move kind of quick, but there's a lot of great information here that you need to know. First off, here's what's going on with our market action index. This is our quick snapshot of the market, tells you whether a market's a buyer's market or a seller's market. As always, I've shown the 5 counties here that make up the core market, and a 30 or above is a seller's market. You can see that 3 of the counties are currently in a seller's market. That would be St. Louis City, St. Louis County, and St. Charles County. St. Louis County is the highest up in the seller's market at the 34 range. Franklin County and Jefferson County remain in buyer's market territory. If we look at what are the top sellers markets in St. Louis right now, you can see here's the top 15 with Grover at the top of the list, Baldwin, Glendale, Rock Hill, and so on. We still have buyer's markets though too. You can see here the top 15 markets for buyer's markets. These are the coldest markets. Best opportunities probably for a buyer to snag a deal. First couple are in the city of St. Louis, then outlying area, New Haven, back in the city of St. Louis, back outlying Washington, Festus, House Springs. So a lot of outlying areas. Farther out areas are still colder markets. The hotter markets more in demand are the closer in to the central area of the city or the county. This chart here shows our number of sales and average sales price for the St. Louis 5-county core area for the past 12 months. The blue columns represent the sales, number of sales, the green line, the average sales price. And you can see, by the way the columns line up here, from November of this year to November last year, fewer sales, about 11.5% less in terms of number of sales in November. The average sales price was up about 7.9% though for the past year. Here is a chart showing again the 5-county core area. This is median home sales price as well as the median number of days it's taking to sell a home. The red line is the days on market, the yellow line is price, and you can see what's happened price-wise. Prices are up from a year ago. The median price for the 5-county core area up to 140 from 130 a year ago, so about a 7.5% increase. And then the red line, the days on market, has dropped significantly, about 21% from a year ago. So homes are selling faster and selling for more than a year ago. This is what I call my Realtor Scorecard. This is what percentage of list price homes are selling for at the time of sale. This shows how good the realtor has done in properly educating the seller and getting it priced right. The red line shows the ratio to the original list price, and the yellow to the final list price after reductions, whatever it was listed at time of sale. So about 97% in terms of what it's listed for at time of sale, down to about 94% of original list price. I think there could still be a lot of improvement with pricing out there. Helps to use realtors that have access to great data like what I'm showing you here, and that know how to interpret the market and apply it to you. Into your situation. Here's the chart showing the inventory of homes for sale for the 5-county core area. And you can see that's been fairly steady. We're about where we were a year ago. Here's a 10-year look back that I do every month. The blue line shows the median list price for the last 10 years for the 5-county core area. The green line, the median sales price for the last 10 years. You can see what's happened, the bubble, the burst, and we're starting to now rise above the 10-year ago mark. Now I'm going to throw in a couple of bonus charts here. This one's kind of busy, but this is from a national level. This shows that real estate investment is again contributing to our GDP, to the gross domestic product. And very quickly here, it's the red line is residential real estate. The little bitty numbers down here are the years. And this black line at 0%, you can see we've risen above it in the last couple of years. That's a good thing. For years before that, you can see it was way down below here. This is a price to rent ratio. This just shows the relationship between sales prices and rent. And you can see during the bubble, it got way out of control, way above 1, which is about where it should be. And you can see we're back down, but it's starting to rise again here. Now, in this case, I don't think it's going to show prices are too high. I think it's really showing rents are probably too low. Don't forget, best real estate search site in town is stlouisrealestatesearch.com. Finally, please remember, we are more than just data. We're not just a pretty face here. We're full-service realtors, and we're here to serve you whether you're buying, selling, or investing. Doesn't it make sense to trust the people that know the market? We're where you get your data at. Please come to us to whether you're buying, selling, or investing. After all, you wouldn't take advice on a procedure from one doctor and then go to another doctor to perform it, would you? 314-414-6000. You can reach us or visit stlre.com. Hey, Merry Christmas. Hope you and your family have a very merry and blessed Christmas. A Happy New Year. Here's our legal stuff. And that's it for this month. And until next month, God bless you. And again, Merry Christmas. Thank you.